I grew up with a book called the Book of Linchitz, which was written by the chief rabbi of Tel Aviv, Rabbi Frankel. And Rabbi Frankel went to Cheder with my father, and that's how, and because he came from Linchitz, he wrote the book about Linchitz. So in that book is also the picture of my grandfather, and I remember the last picture of that book has a picture of bones. And growing up as a child, you know, the images of that community of Linchitz was a field of bones. So it's called the Book of Linchitz.